Today we're going to be making something really fun. There's a hint.
Galaxy Playdough.
Galaxy Playdough. And we've already made some pink Play-Doh. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Pink and pretty. So we're going to make some more Play-Doh. Right now with you, we're going to make turquoise and purple Play-Doh. So here's the pink that we've already made. And what are the ingredients that we need?
So you need flour.
How much flour?
A cup.
1 cup.
1 cup of flour.
Mm-hmm.
And then you need half a cup of salt.
1/2 cup of salt.
Half. And then how much of this do you need?
1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. So let's see, the teaspoon is this side.
Okay, so we're gonna get a teaspoon.
Cream and tartar. We're gonna mix it.
Teaspoon.
And then we need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil.
Tablespoon.
And while you're doing that, I'm gonna get a cup of water. 1 cup of water.
And then here's 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil.
And now what we're gonna do is we're going to put it on the stove. We're gonna heat it up. So we're gonna turn it on. Make sure that you have an adult turn it on. And it's going to be on medium heat. And we're going to stir it together.
With our purple.
Purple.
Because we're gonna make purple Play-Doh.
All right, we're gonna stir it for a while and see what happens. So here is an example of what we're making. We have to stir this until it starts to clump together. So just keep stirring. Don't forget to add your food coloring. This one's going to be turquoise. You see how I have the turquoise color? All right, so I'm gonna add it while it's cooking. Put some in. And we're just gonna keep stirring it until it turns really pretty turquoise. Just keep stirring. Okay, I let it cool, and you see I have turquoise Play-Doh now. So now I have turquoise and pink, and we're gonna make one more color. Are you ready to make purple? We're gonna follow the same recipe. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and then you add your food coloring. See you when you're done.
I just made the purple Play-Doh.
And I just put glitter in the turquoise Play-Doh.
And I just put glitter in the purple Play-Doh.
Okay, our Play-Doh is ready. We have everything to make some fun Galaxy Play-Doh. And I even have a rolling pin and a star cookie cutter. Actually 2, I have a little one and a big one. And then I have some pipe cleaners because we're gonna make shooting stars. So first what I'm gonna do is move all of this to the side, and I'm gonna take my 3 different Play-Dohs. I have purple, turquoise, and pink. And I put glitter in the turquoise Play-Doh, and I put glitter in the purple Play-Doh. And what we're gonna do is we're just going to mix them all together. And it's gonna be beautiful. See how they're all going together? And then I'm just going to move it around, and it'll start to, ooh, look at how pretty that is. We're gonna swirl it, and it's gonna be a beautiful Galaxy Play-Doh, because in space there are some beautiful colors, and the glitter represents the stars. There are lots of beautiful stars. Do you ever get to stay up late at night and look at the stars? They're beautiful. So look at that, isn't that pretty? Now we have 1 big giant ball of Play-Doh. And you can mix it even more if you want, but I'm gonna stop right here. So I'm gonna take this Play-Doh and I'm just gonna cut a little bit off like this. All right, here it is. I'm gonna move this Play-Doh to the side. Isn't that beautiful? Look at how pretty that is. Oop. I am going to roll this Play-Doh out. Look at how pretty that is. Pink, turquoise, and purple. And I'm gonna take my little star cutter. And I'm gonna make a little star right here. All right, I'm gonna move it. Look at how pretty it is. Oh, and if I flip it over, it's pink. I'm gonna do another one. Look at this pretty star. And let's see what color it is if I flip it. It's pink and turquoise. All right, let's do this one. Oh, that is beautiful. Ooh, look at that pretty swirl. I think I'm gonna use that side. And I'll do one more over here. Wow, isn't that amazing how this Play-Doh can be different colors? All right, now what I'm gonna do is take it and I'm gonna mix up this ball a little bit. I'm gonna take a little more Play-Doh from here. All right, and now I'm gonna roll this out. And I'm gonna make a big star this time. This time I'm gonna make a pretty big star. All right, let's get my giant cookie cutter out. And I'm gonna cut it, lift it, and I'm gonna pull all of this aside. Look at that giant star. Let's see what happens if I flip it over. Look at how pretty these colors are. Whoa, that is so pretty. What side do you like better? I think I like this side better. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is take some of my pipe cleaners and I'm just gonna make a shooting star. I'm gonna put this pipe cleaner in it so it looks like it's a shooting star flying into outer space. Do you see that shooting star? It's kind of hard to see with my countertops. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a shooting star. And I can even do that with some of my little stars. I can make a shooting star here. And I can make a shooting star here. But I can even twist this so that it looks like there's two coming out. And I'll do it with this one too since it's smaller. Aren't these beautiful? I put my Galaxy Play-Doh on some black construction paper and now you can see the stars so much better. They're shooting stars. Do you remember what God created on day 4?